I'm Danielle.
I'm Gia.
And I'm Seaauna.
And we're talking about oil pollution in Lake Michigan. A lot of people don't realize Lake Michigan is just as polluted as any other body of water.
And if you go to the Indiana Dunes, it looks really clean, but it's really not. In this graph, it shows how much pollution are in each lake. This lake is Lake Superior, and it's never polluted. It's never polluted because it's really restricted, has lots of rules, has no factories by it, and people clean up their areas. Lake Michigan is this green line, and it's the most polluted because there's factories all over the place. Factories dump oil into the water. People don't clean up their messes when they're there. It's not as restricted and closed off.
I just don't understand why it's so polluted.
It's because the U.S. Steel dumped 56.7 pounds of chromium into a Lake Michigan tribute in late October. Then in April, they had a larger spill containing 346 pounds of oil, which 298 pounds were chromium.
This graph is pollution indexes, which means that how much the pollution goes up every few years. So the pink is Lake Michigan, blue is Whitmire Lake, and green is the United States. Pink is the most polluted except for in this one and this one. And that's the lead and the carbon monoxide. Everything else is really polluted, and this one was the worst, and that is just general oil and fossil fuels.
Why is chromium bad for the water?
It's a cancer-causing chemical.
Also, when boats are out in the water, they tend to leak out oil and sometimes gas, which pollutes the water even more than what it already is.
And what can we do to help?
We could stop by dumping oil into the lakes.
We could also start checking boats to make sure that they are properly made and don't leak out oil or gas.
How polluted?
I gotta do bloopers.
Hi, I'm Seaauna.
I'm Danielle.
I'm Gia.
A lot. Oh, and we're the Wonder Bags!
No, we are.
Just start over. I can cut this out.
You're wrong.
A lot of people don't realize Lake Michigan is just as polluted as every other body of water.
If you go to the Indiana Dunes, you can see that it's very clean, but it's really not.
I did start over. I was trying to process.